Okay, with the disc clean, now we're going to clean the whole entire shower head. Obviously this thing is a little bit too small. I may have to get another larger one. No, I can probably get the head in there. That shouldn't be a problem. But I am going to go ahead and fill it up with water a little bit more. And then that way I can submerge it in its entirety. Take a little bit more water. And just, I usually go 50-50. 50% water, 50% vinegar. That's close enough there. And basically all we're going to do is submerge the whole entire head into the solution. There are commercial cleaning products in the market that are also very effective. CLR being one of those is a very good product also you can use. But vinegar is very cost effective and it gets the job done just as good. White vinegar is probably your best choice as well. But any vinegar will work. My preference has always been white vinegar.